Hello everyone, welcome back to another AD Workshop video. Today what I'm going to be doing is fixing this down here. I made a custom ball hitch attachment so it would fit and I'd be able to use a whole hitch for like a lawn cart on there too, and the weld snapped and I did a bad job originally. That metal's bent, so I'm going to be fixing it today. So what I'm going to do is take this off, unbolt it, bend this piece back up, and then probably what I did in the first place was just weld it like this. I might use a different piece or cut a 90-degree angle in here on the bottom maybe too, so it's flush with the bottom and the top, so I can make a better weld. And for this, I might just have that also come off of here so there's two supports, or just do the same with this and maybe put one over here. But we'll figure that out. Here's what I've got so far. I've got it tack welded in place. Then I think I'm gonna do another one on this side to make it even. So yeah. Alright, so I've got this one welded in place, all good. Seems a lot sturdier than before, pretty much. I think I don't have a longer piece like this or similar, so I think I'm just gonna do something like this, or maybe I'll be able to find, I'm gonna look quick for something that's more this length, but I'm gonna cut this at an angle on both sides and weld that right about there. Here it is, all finished. The custom hitch, it looks a lot better than before. It's actually level. I just did a crappy job before. Obviously the welds aren't perfect, but now we've got two supports going good. This is, ball hitch for like a lawn cart or something, so I don't have to take the ball off every time. Here I have a nut. That was on there before. I never actually ended up using it because the trailer I had on here, enough weight didn't matter, but my plan was to get a very long bolt that fit that and just screw it in every time, and it would stay above the hitch so it couldn't come out. That was my locking way, at least for that one, because it couldn't lock on the ball because I made it myself. Yeah, it seems to be sturdy. Can hold my weight just fine. So yeah, thanks for watching.